restaurant in Egg Harbor. I worked in education, and so I always worked in the restaurant industry to make extra money. And my husband started working cooking in his friend's restaurant when he was in his teenage years. Blake's my husband, and he's our executive chef, and he is the heart and soul you taste on every single plate. So the menu seems like it's all over the map, but there's the roots that come from his southern roots in Louisiana, and then there's the Midwestern meat and potatoes, Americanized supper club classics, and then there's some Hispanic influence, and he's just never done creating. The Big Easy Jambalaya is our flagship. It's absolutely fantastic. There's big Gulf shrimp and andouille sausage and chicken in there, and he sautés up everything, and he treats it like it's his baby from the very first ingredient. People comment all the time about how they haven't had jambalaya that tastes like this since they were in Louisiana. The Camel is one of those unexpected surprises. Blake took an ingredient that nobody's had a great experience with. They've always thought it was gamey and tough. And he takes it and he presents it with one of our top sellers, which is our Door County goat cheese grits, on the plate. And he grills it to perfection and cuts it the right way and fans it out over the grits so that you just follow suit and cut the perfect little bite-sized bite. And it's tender and it's moist and it's not gamey, and it's awesome. Pork is an ingredient that Blake would work with solely if we let him. But the way he treats the pork belly is what makes it melt in your mouth. It's seared so perfectly, and he pairs it with the aged cheddar risotto, which is really savory and fantastic. And he adds his little spice. He always adds a little bit of some life. And on that particular dish, it's this Asian tangy barbecue sauce. And it's the star of the show.